In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check when a LinkedIn profile was created. Whether you're curious about your own LinkedIn history or want to check someone else's, this guide will help you navigate the platform with ease. To start, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. If you haven't already, open LinkedIn in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to navigate to the profile whose creation date you are curious about. Begin by visiting their profile page. A simple way to estimate when a profile was made is by checking their activity. So click on the profile's activity section. Within this section, select See All Activity and then navigate to Posts. By scrolling through their posts, you can try to find the oldest visible one. LinkedIn's interface will display posts in chronological order from newest to oldest. This can often provide a rough estimate of when the user became active. Keep in mind, however, that if they haven't been posting frequently, the oldest visible post might not correspond to their join date. Another handy section to explore is Experience. Scrolling through the Experience section, search for the earliest job or position listed. LinkedIn users typically list their work experiences around the time they join the platform, so this can serve as another clue to determine a profile's age. Additionally, take a look at the recommendations section. Here, you can find recommendations they've received and pay attention to the first one. If recommendations were provided shortly after creating the account, this may also hint at the profile's commencement date. For those of you interested in finding out your own LinkedIn account history in more detail, LinkedIn has a feature just for that. Go to Settings and Privacy, which you can find by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Under the Data Privacy section, you have the option to get a copy of your data. This feature is useful for viewing comprehensive information about your own account. When you proceed to request your data, select Account History. This will not only provide you with the exact date you created your account, but offer a wealth of other historical data about your interactions and changes over time. It usually takes a while for LinkedIn to process this request, but it provides a thorough view of your LinkedIn journey. And there you have it, a full guide on how to determine when a LinkedIn profile was created. Whether you're researching someone else's LinkedIn story or just walking down memory lane with your own account history, these steps should make your task straightforward and enjoyable. Thank you for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful LinkedIn tips and tricks.